Welcome back to Beautiful Home Design Ideas, your cozy corner for all things interior style and decor magic. Today, we're diving into one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to elevate your space: potted plants. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just dipping your toes into greenery, the way you arrange your plants can completely transform the vibe of your home. We're not just talking about placing a few pots here and there, we're talking intentional, artistic, and style-boosting plant arrangements that look like they were curated by a designer. So grab your favorite cup of tea, settle in, and get ready to be inspired by these top 5 potted plant arrangement ideas that are bursting with charm and creativity. The tiered plant stand statement. One of the easiest ways to create visual interest with your potted plants is by arranging them on a tiered plant stand. Think of this like styling a shelf. You're playing with height, texture, and variety. Use a mix of trailing plants like pothos or ivy on the top tier, medium-height leafy plants like peace lilies or rubber plants in the middle, and small, quirky succulents or cacti at the base. What makes this arrangement so stylish is the intentional layering. It draws the eye upward and adds instant depth to a dull corner. Opt for a sleek black metal stand for a modern look or a bamboo version for a warm boho feel. And don't be afraid to switch things up seasonally. Swap in seasonal blooms or new pots for an instant refresh. The window ledge botanical display. If you're lucky enough to have a sunny window ledge, don't let that prime real estate go to waste. Create a linear plant arrangement that acts as both a privacy screen and a natural mood booster. Choose pots of varying heights and widths, and aim for a mix of upright plants like snake plants and softer, trailing greens like string of pearls or spider plants. To keep things looking polished and intentional, stick to a cohesive color palette for your pots. Think terracotta, soft whites, or even metallics for a more modern edge. This setup not only enhances natural light, but makes your window feel like a curated indoor garden. And bonus, plants love this spot, so you'll see them thrive. The clustered coffee table centerpiece. Ready to turn your coffee table into a mini botanical masterpiece? Try clustering a few small to medium potted plants in the center of the table. Use a tray to anchor the display and bring in other textures like a small candle, a book, or a ceramic figure to add dimension. Play with varying heights and plant textures. Pair a fluffy fern with a sculptural snake plant and a rosette-shaped echeveria for contrast. The trick here is to treat your plants like living art. Go for interesting pots. Hand-painted ceramics or matte black vessels work beautifully. This not only becomes a conversation starter, but also adds a relaxing, earthy vibe to your living space. Loving these fresh and fabulous plant arrangement ideas? If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a chance to beautify your home with effortless style. Give this video a thumbs up if plants make you happy, and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite indoor plant and where do you love to style it in your home? We love hearing your ideas and tips too. The Shelfie moment, plants on floating shelves. If you want to elevate your wall decor literally, try styling potted plants on floating shelves. This method blends plant styling with vertical wall art and makes every blank wall a canvas for greenery. Start with 2 to 3 staggered shelves and mix in trailing plants like English ivy, upright picks like ZZ plants, and even air plants or moss bowls for variety. Add in a few personal accents like framed art, candles, or small sculptures to make it feel curated and not overly plant-heavy. The key to nailing this look? Balance and asymmetry. Avoid perfectly lining everything up. Instead, let the plants hang organically, let leaves spill over, and let the whole arrangement breathe. For a minimalist modern space, stick to white or wood shelves and monochrome pots. For a more eclectic or bohemian room, go wild with colorful planters, vintage finds, and texture-rich accents like macrame hangers or terracotta. The Entryway green welcome. Make your first impression count with a lush, welcoming entryway arrangement. Whether you have a console table, a small stool, or even just floor space near the door, a thoughtful plant setup can instantly warm up the entry and set the tone for your entire home. Choose a taller statement plant, like a fiddle leaf fig, rubber plant, or bird of paradise to ground the space. Then pair it with smaller accents like a tabletop fern, a peace lily, or a delicate orchid in a chic pot. Place a mirror behind it to reflect light and greenery, giving the illusion of more space and brightness. You can even hang a plant from a nearby hook or use a tiered stand for added dimension. The result is a peaceful, welcoming vibe that tells guests, this home is cozy, stylish, and full of life. And there you have it, 5 gorgeous and easy potted plant arrangement ideas that can instantly elevate your home style. Whether you're into minimalist chic, earthy boho, or cozy cottagecore, these setups are completely customizable and endlessly inspiring. Plants don't just bring in freshness, they infuse your space with personality, charm, and a touch of serenity. Don't forget to like this video if you feel inspired to rearrange your plant babies, leave a comment with your favorite styling tip, and of course, subscribe for more beautiful home decor ideas every week. Until next time, keep styling with soul and may your home always bloom with beauty.